Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Samsung GT-S3370. Let's take a look. It was released in 2010. It has a 2.6 inches touch resistive display. As you can see at the front there are 3 buttons. At the bottom we found the microphone. At the left side there is the micro USB port for charging it or transfer data to the PC. The volume buttons. At the top there's nothing. At the right side we found the lock/unlock button and the camera button. At the back we found a 1.2 megapixel camera and the speaker and the Samsung logo also. Let's turn it on. This cell phone has a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels. What to say, it's also known as Corby 3G. It works up to 3G antennas. I'm gonna show you the ringtones when it starts up. Okay, there's the main menu. You have 3 pages and you can put different widgets at the main page like settings, clock, calendar, MySpace, Facebook app, YouTube, for example. I'm gonna show you the ringtones. We go to settings. What to say? Now I'm gonna show you the SMS tones. Let's take a look. Nothing much. As you can see, it has a rare type of letters. There you can set different types. Cool Jazz, let's take a look. And normal. There you can set black or white them, as you can see, and you can set different wallpapers. Let's take a look what it includes. Okay. As you can see, it has a touch resistive screen, and this is the wallpaper from the network of the phone. What more to say? That cell phone includes Bluetooth 2.1, radio FM with RDS, and I'm gonna show you how works the camera. For example, there you can see something. It has 1.2 megapixel and smile recognition. Yes, a bit bad I think for a touchscreen cell phone, but what to say? It has WAP, GPRS for internet navigation. It adapts micro SD card slot up to 16 gigabytes and has a 50 megabytes of internal memory. Nothing much to say. That's the main menu. We found different pre-installed apps like Facebook, MySpace, Samsung apps for download more apps, voice recorder, notes, calculator, to do things, Bluetooth, games, and nothing much. A very simple cell phone. Nothing much about that Samsung with its tones at the case. You can silence it by pressing the volume down button, and nothing much. If you press the camera button, it will open automatically the camera, and nothing much. Please like my video, subscribe for more stuff like this, and see you soon in the next videos. Bye bye.